In this video, I will show you how to set up an employer center account on Glassdoor. So what you need to do first is you need to go over to your browser and then just type in Glassdoor and then employer, and then you need to click on enter, and then you will find this search result, and here is saying Glassdoor for employers. And what you need to do is you need to click on this, and then you just simply need to click on sign up in here. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to this screen where you can just enter your work email, and then you can get started with Glassdoor employer. So I'm just going to click on this in here, and then I'm going to continue with my work email after I filled it in. So I will be back with you when I did that. So I filled in my details. So now I need to fill in my first name as well, my last name, the company where I'm working for, my official job title, and the amount of jobs that are open, and then again my work email. After you have filled it in, you can just go ahead and click on I confirm and then click on create account. And after you have done that, you will be redirected into Glassdoor, and then you will land on the portal. And from there, you can get started using the app. And from there, it's actually pretty easy because from there, you have options like post job and stuff like that. So this is how you set up your employer account on Glassdoor. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.